Hello words! Ayan, I show you the panahon today. Look here. What is the weather today? It's, what do you call it? It's cloudy and you see, oh, diba? The panahon is so ugly. You see, very, what do you call that? Niblik. What is niblik? Misty. The misty. Very misty, cloudy. O, diba? Ayan, mga words. Mga kalindog, good morning. This is the weather now here. It's cold. And look at here, downstairs. I'm scared. O, diba? Nakakatakot. I'm scared. And there is, o, diba? Pagi. I mean, yeah, that is Pagi, mga kalindog. So, ayan, hello, world. I feel cold na. I'm going inside. I just only update with you the weather here in Germany. O, diba? So, cloudy and, ayan. And very Pagi. So let's go inside. I'm getting cold. I'm going to prepare my breakfast. Ayan. O, diba? I'll show you. Nagluluto ako ng cooking egg. Ayun, cooking egg. I show you. And there we go. In 5 minutes, it's ready. And next Friday, my kitchen is coming, mga kalindog. I'm so excited na. Oh my God. Ayan, I prepared also my table. Yan, I'm going to make a breakfast of prosciutto. O, diba? We have all. The salmon, my favorite, with Philadelphia, of course. At ayan, meron tayong cheese and all, of course, ang ating coffee. So, guys, let me first prepare my breakfast. Okay? I'm going to eat na. Okay? So, bye! I love you all, mga kalindog. Don't forget to subscribe. And please, tap the tap the notification bell para lagi kayong na-update. Bye! I love you all! Mwah!